Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to be doing a get ready with me video. Basically, I'm just going to show you guys how I do like a quick makeup. Like I'm not fixing lashes. I don't think I'm fixing lashes. I'm going paintballing with some of my friends. This is like the first time I'm doing that like ever. So I'm pretty much excited about it. So yeah, I'm going to yeah, let's just get into the tutorial now. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and turn on post notifications so you'll be the first person to know when I drop a new video. Thank you and happy new year, guys. Also leave a comment. It really does help me to know what you guys are thinking and helps me organize my content. I'm very dedicated to giving you guys like the best that I can give you this year, so do subscribe. Thank you. Okay guys, so I'm just starting out with my Dewy's pencil. I'm totally obsessed with this pencil, by the way. I just think like it's so stressless. Like I've used brow gels and I've used a lot of other brow thingies, but this one just works for me, especially when I'm in a hurry. So yeah, you should consider getting a good pencil, probably Dewy's. So today I'm also going to be gisting you guys about a few things that I discovered about myself this week. You know, there are some things that you know, but you don't want to accept that you do, or you don't want to accept that you know these things about yourself. First of all, let's start with this all back on my head, this cornrows. Guys, I don't like making my hair. Like, I feel like it's so painful. I was on lookout for so many years, and the pain of just making my hair is just something I try to avoid as much as possible. Also, I always used to say I don't like washing my hair. Like, no, I didn't used to say I don't like washing my hair. I used to say I don't know how to wash my hair properly. Like, I feel like if I wash my hair, because my hair is so full, it's so thick, it would not be clean. So that was my excuse for always going to the salon to wash my hair, like every single time, guys. So if I don't have time to go to the salon, I won't wash my hair because I always feel like, oh, it's going to be dirty either way. So why bother, right? Guess what I just admitted this week? I just admitted that I actually just prefer having my hair washed because the sensation is glorious. Like, guys, it is glorious. Like, and I've admitted it. That's something that I should probably just move on from and stop lying to myself about. Another thing I should stop lying to myself about is this foundation being my shade, because it's not. And I'm tired of having to blend so hard before it sits. It still didn't even sit in this video. Like, I did a lot of blending and it just didn't seem right. I don't think Jordana has very good shades for light-skinned Nigerians. Like, I feel like their shades are more for Caucasians, and that's fine. But the dark tones I've used so far are good, but the light tones are not so good. I don't know if it's just me. If you've used it and you experience that problem, please let me know also, so because I'm tired. If you've noticed a change in my background, I'm in Ibadan, which is the city in Nigeria where I grew up, actually spent most of my formative years. I love being at home, and I can see that my cheeks look fuller. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I've been resting a lot. I mean, this year is going to be kind of busy for me. I have law school in a bit, so I've taken enough time to like rest, eat, just do me basically. I have a big announcement coming. I think I should say it in my next video, but people who know me personally probably already know about it. Okay, so I think I should say my next video. I'm not telling you, so you have to wait and watch my next video to know. Yeah, feel so giddy. I'm going in with this brown eyeshadow because I'm just lazy, and brown looks good on me, and it probably will look good on you too. If you're dark, look for a darker shade of brown or just black, all over your lid, and use your eyeliner and be gone. It's really that easy. I can also use my eyeshadow to contour my nose. Yep, I did it. I don't know why I slowed this down. That's weird. I didn't even show the name of the eyeliner here, but oh my god, you guys, I'm so sorry about this mirror that showed throughout the video. Like, I don't even know. I don't understand. Changing my filming setup always messes me up because, like, everything, I just have to figure out everything again from the beginning. For this video now, I was standing throughout. So, like, everything was just quite uncomfortable. I promised to figure it out before the next video. That's if they not posted me to law school already and I'm in a different city entirely. But either ways it will still be good content. I didn't use a lot of powder on my face intentionally because I don't want my face to be too cakey and dry. Presently the Hamatan in Ibadan can, it's so dry. Like the weather is so dry and so cold most of the time, so I was trying to go for a dewy look. This is my favorite part. If you know me, you probably know. So I added the bronzer, the highlighter. Yeah, so guys, there's a difference between bronzer and highlighter. Do you guys know that? I feel like a lot of people don't. I also make the mistake once in a while, but in my heart of heart I know there's a difference. So you should probably read up on that and stop embarrassing me by saying bronzer when it's indeed a highlighter. Yep, so almost done with this look, guys. This is just very basic. Like, it's something you could do every day. Like, you don't have to do it every day. My point is that this is just like basic stuff. One of the reasons why I started my YouTube channel is because I believe that every lady should at least be able to do basic fine slay makeup by herself. Now, I don't feel like this is going to eradicate any jobs for makeup artists, because you would always have that time where you want to look extra special and everything, right? But like, you're rushing to work in the morning and you feel like looking a bit extra, you should be able to do that yourself. So the hope is that if you keep watching my videos and you practice, and of course you can ask me questions, my email is down there, my Instagram is down there, my Twitter, everything. So just message me and ask me questions. You know, I would be very elated to give you advice on anything you want to know. Do you get? So I want everybody to be able to do their makeup. Like, please be able to do your makeup in 2020, guys. You know, I slowed this one down again, guys. I don't know what's wrong with me and my editing, but I just wanted you guys to see my under eyelashes. Yeah, that's why I did that. And also, I don't know if you guys noticed, but my skin is clearing out. Like, I'm so excited. I didn't drop the video on YouTube, but I did drop a video on IG about my new skincare routine involving Nizoral for fungal acne. So I discovered what was wrong with my face. My own pimples was looking like rashes and other people's own was looking different. So now I know what to use and my face is clearing up. Love my lips though. Guys, I used to hate my lips. Do you know that? Like, I used to feel very self-conscious. I used to think that we're too big and stuff. But guys, I do love my lips. God try. This is getting so long. I'm using my lip gloss as usual. You know me. I didn't use anything, no, just pencil and clear lip gloss. You guys, all these cheap lip glosses work better, I swear. They're so thick and so shiny. But yep, I'm done.